It's been a tough year for farmers. Between the spring and summer floods and the trade war between the U.S. and China, the farming industry is feeling the pinch. The Nebraska Farm Bureau estimates the loss of revenue for Nebraska farmers will be devastating. Reporter Ruta Olsenaida has the story.
The Nebraska Farm Bureau has ongoing efforts to monitor exactly how international trade disagreements affect Nebraska farmers. They found the results to be alarming.
It is a large loss. What that represents is lost potential sales or revenues to farmers and ranchers in the state.
They looked at lost exports, the money that would be going into Nebraska from sending our products to overseas markets. The loss is upwards of $1 billion.
There's some other commodities like beef, hides and skins, ethanol exports that we weren't able to do it for, so it could be even higher than the $943 million.
Trade is vital to Nebraska's agricultural industry. The disruption in this market throws off prices everywhere.
Overall, crop prices are off a little bit. Livestock beef prices, particularly we're a big beef state, are off a little bit. Production, I think, is going to be down a little bit. So I would anticipate income levels for the state, for farmers and ranchers, are going to be off this year.
Just Good Meats is a local butcher shop here in the Omaha area. They get all of their meats from farmers in the Midwest, and with all of these tariffs and trade wars, they're not too sure what to expect.
Kind of what we're hearing, a lot of the farmers that do a lot of exporting, higher quality beefs that go to Hong Kong or go to Japan or Korea and stuff, they're definitely feeling that hit.
Places like Just Good Meat may not see too much of a difference in price from suppliers. The prices may actually go down.
These trade issues and things will only mean that prices will probably come off on beef, so your steaks and hamburgers at the store might be a little less expensive over the coming months.
I think it's going to be something that we might start to see in November, December, maybe early next year. Some meat prices dropping if they can't figure out what to do.
At the end of the day, it's the farmers who will feel the repercussions the most.
Pretty scary for them with an uncertain future of what's going on with tariffs.
Reporting in Omaha, Ruta Olsenaida, 3 News Now.
Union Pacific says they also expect to haul less freight carrying grain and other goods in the second half of the year. The smaller volume of freight that the railway company carries hints at less production from the farming industry and a weaker economy.